Good morning, class 6. So we were in chapter number 10, mensuration. Okay. So today we will be solving some questions from exercise 10.3. Please pay attention how the questions are to be solved, because the remaining questions you will be solving and come up with your doubts. Question number 5. First you do one thing, pause the video, grab your NCERT textbook and come to the question number. Question 5 says, what is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot? Tiling means tiles lagana, right? Tiling a rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide. There is a land. Length is given as 500 meter and width is given as 200 meter. Now the cost of tiling, जो भी लेबर काम करता है ना, उनकी कॉस्ट ₹8 पर 100 मीटर स्क्वायर. 100 मीटर स्क्वायर में टाइल लगाने की कॉस्ट ₹8. टोटल कॉस्ट निकालना है. तो फर्स्ट वी नीड टू फाइंड द एरिया. एरिया इज L into B. L is 500 meter, B is 200 meter. 5 into 2 is 10 and 4 zeros. This is the entire area. Okay. Now cost is ₹8 per 100 meter square. 100 meter squares का cost ₹8 है. So we have to find out in this area how many 100 meter squares are there. So total cost, सबसे पहले इसमें 100 मीटर स्क्वायर्स कितने हैं, सो डिवाइड करो. डिवाइडेड बाय 100 मीटर स्क्वायर्स. नाउ यू विल गेट कि 100 मीटर स्क्वायर्स इस पूरे लैंड में कितने हैं. मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय द कॉस्ट, ₹8. 1 2 zeros cancel. 1000 into 8, ₹8,000. This is the total cost of tiling this particular land. Right, children? Hope you understood this. Let's move on to another question. Question number 12. How many tiles of length 12 centimeter and width 5 centimeter are required to fit in a rectangular region of length and breadth as 100 centimeter, 144 centimeter. एक लेंथ है, एक width है. किसी को भी आप लेंथ, किसी को भी width मान लो. Not at all an issue, no problem at all. So these dimensions are larger as compared to the dimensions of a tile. Tile के dimensions छोटे हैं. So we have to find out how many tiles are required to fit in that region. Simple. Find the area of region. Find the area of one tile. Area of entire region divided by area of one tile. We will get to know the number of tiles that are required. This simple. For example, ये land है और ये एक छोटी सी टाइल है. अब इसमें कितने टाइल्स आएंगे यही तो पता करना हमने को. This is what we have to find out. How many tiles are needed? तो क्या करना है, लैंड का एरिया निकाल लो, रीजन का एरिया, टाइल का एरिया निकाल लो, इसमें डिवाइड कर देंगे, मालूम पड़ जाएगा कितनी टाइल्स चाहिए. राइट. सो एरिया ऑफ द रीजन L into B. तो फर्स्ट केस में इट इज 100 into 144, that is 14,400 centimeter square. This is the region where we have to fit the tiles. Now area of one tile. Tile की dimensions दे रखी हैं 12 centimeter and 5 centimeters. So 12 into 5, that is 60 centimeter square. This is the area of one tile. This is the area of entire region. Now number of tiles required equal to total area divided by area of one tile. 0 cancel with 0. Now 1440 divided by 6. 6 goes 2 times in 14, remainder 2. 2 and 4, 24. 6 goes 4 times. Okay? Now 1 0 is left, 240. So 240 tiles are required to cover the entire region. Right, children? So there is second part also in this question. When the region is 70 centimeter and 36 centimeter. These are the dimensions of the region. I hope you can do it exactly as I करना. Area of the region. First case में what we did 100 into 144. Now what we do 70 into 36. We will get the area of region. Tile remains same. Area of tile ये रहेगा, है ना? सिर्फ ये बदल जाएगा. Area of region. Second case area of region कितना हो जाएगा? 70 into 36. 2520 centimeter square. Okay. Now यहाँ replace कर दो. Number of tiles required. Area of region change हो गया ना आपका. So 2520 divided by 60. 0 there. 252 divided by 6. In 25 6 goes 4 times. 6 4 are 24. Remainder 1. 1 and 2 12. 6 2 are 12. 42. 42 tiles are required. Right? Okay. So let's move on to another question. Split into rectangles and find the area. There is a region given. You have to find the area. First, we have to split it into rectangles. See, children, pay attention. देखो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे complicated काम है. एक straight line बना देता हूँ. Rectangle बन गया. ये 4 है ना? ये 4 तो ये भी 4 हो जाएगा. ये 2 है तो ये भी 2 हो जाएगा. ये टोटल 3 था. तो अब 1 लेफ्ट. अब इसको पूरा कर दो. अब ये पूरी लेंथ कितनी है? 4 + 2 6. तो ये लेंथ भी 6 है ना? अब देखो ये 1 बचा तो ये लेंथ भी 1. ये टोटल लेंथ 3 की है तो ये 2 बच जाएगा. ये लो. राइट. नाउ 3 1 तो यहां से यहां तक ये 2. टोटल है 4 तो ये भी 2 हो गया. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. और ये कितना रहेगा? सी दिस एंटायर इज 6. 6 में से 3 गया तो ये 3 बचेगा. गॉट इट? नाउ यू सी यू हैव 1, I will say A, region A, then region B, region C, region D. Area निकालना है. So 1 or 2 length and width, 3 and 4 length and width, 3. अच्छा यहाँ पे ये पूरा this is 6 and width is 1. 6 into 1. This entire region 2 and 4 length and width. Children, for every geometrical figure, you can split it according to your will, wish and pleasure. For example, now split into rectangles. तो दो कोई भी अलग अलग तरीके से कर सकते हैं. ये नो आई हैव 3 रीजन्स. ये 1 है तो ये भी 1 हो जाएगा. ये 1 है तो ये भी 1. ओके. सो रेक्टेंगल ए 4 into 1, रेक्टेंगल बी 4 into 1. नाउ दिस रेक्टेंगल सी 4 + 4 8 + 1 9. 9 into 1. ऐसा कर सकते हो. इफ नॉट हो सकता है कोई ऐसे करे इसको. अब ये एक स्क्वायर बन गया 1 into 1. A is 4 into 1, B is 4 into 1, C is again 4 into 1, D is again 4 into 1, E is a square 1 into 1. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. It is up to your discretion how you want to split it. Only thing is keep in mind the dimensions that are given. जो नाप दे रखा है ना आपको dimension, that is very important children. So whenever you are solving such questions, देखो ये these are very practical questions, very practical. They are applicable in our day-to-day life. Suppose I go somewhere, I have a garden or I have a piece of land, I have to find out its area and it's not in a regular shape. Then we have to split it. we have to split it into regions for which we can easily find out the area. Okay, तो ये आपको आपके डिस्क्रिप्शन पे सॉल्व करो, ऐसे जितने भी क्वेश्चन हैं उनको सॉल्व करो. इफ यू फाइंड डिफिकल्टी, feel free to ask me. Okay.